Hi, Anthony. My name's Christian. I'm with RinGen SEO. We are a digital marketing agency, and I just wanted to shoot this quick video to give you some free tips and tricks that you can use on your own to increase your online presence. So, contrary to popular belief, a website can actually bring you leads in and of itself without paying outside lead services like Zillow, Trulia, Realtor.com. For those leads. And the leads that come through your website are going to be exclusive to you. So they're not going to be sent out to multiple different agents or play the game of who's paying the most money this month to get the most leads. Not that game. It's going to be your leads because it's your website. So first of all, I'd like to point out I have your Facebook page pulled up here. I'm glad to see that it shows everywhere you're a realtor. Believe it or not, a lot of realtors don't even let people know that they're realtors. So you have that blasted everywhere. Really glad to see that. Awesome job. Keep it up. Three things we're going to talk about today: content, citations, and backlinks. The first is content. So I have your URL pulled up here, your domain, Vitale Group, Vitale.group. And here we go. So you got a website. Obviously, you understand the importance of having a website. But how many leads is this website bringing you? So the real question is, how many people are finding this website organically and clicking on it and coming in here and going, all right, call me, filling in their name. How many people are coming over here to the contact us? Ideally, you want this fill form right here to be on the first page. You want it to be as easy as possible for people to type in their name and send it to you, okay? We don't want them to have to go to here. We want them to be right there. Call us. Now, here we go. Here's your name, number, right? But as far as content goes, content is king in the eyes of Google and all search engines. So the more content you have, the better. The thing to keep in mind is that content isn't just the words on your website. It's also the photos and how the photos are saved and what's behind the photos and alt tags and meta descriptions and site titles, so on and so forth. So especially with real estate websites, with the IDX feed and with all the listing photos, they're so very important how you save them. So search engines read on the back end how you save your photos. So a lot of times when we upload photos on a computer, the computer will create a file name for that photo that we don't specify. Usually it consists of random letters and numbers, or it'll say like pick 1, pick 2, pick 3. Okay, well, here's the deal. That's not bringing value. You want your photos to be saved the right way. You want your photos to be saved with good content that's going to be read on the back end, that's going to help rank your site. Okay, so very important with real estate. Now, next is citations. So what a citation is anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number is listed in various directories. That would include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp, the Chamber of Commerce. All those are going to give you citations. The more citations you have, the higher up you're going to rank in this map pack. So as you can see, I typed in Morristown, New Jersey Realtors. Based on the research I did, that is where you are located. So who do we have? We have White Chart, we have Central Property, and we have Keller Williams. I don't see Vitale.group. Also, I don't see Vitale.group anywhere here on this first page. And I don't know how many pages we would have to go down to find it. But if I'm not going to take the time, neither is probably anybody else. So unless they type in Vitale.group and go directly to your website, which means they already met you and they already have your business card, then you're not finding them organically. So that's real key. But more importantly than that, I'd like to point out that whether you're a broker or just an agent, you can have your own Google My Business page. And so I didn't find one for Vitale.group. I didn't find one. And so I would suggest getting one, first of all. And then second of all, as you can see, Jill Southern. We have Lisa Molinari. We have Donna Lerner. Okay, so we have multiple agents who have Google My Business pages who were on the first page because they have citations and they have Google My Business pages. This is where you want to be. So I would highly suggest getting yourself a Google My Business page. And so for the purposes of this video, we're going to use Jill Southern's Google My Business page just to show you what one's like. So this is a Google My Business page. As you can see, the Zillow reviews and the Facebook reviews are directly linking over. It's got the address, hours, and phone. Got some photos, couple things. So, reviews. We recommend 25 minimum. So Jill has only 3. Obviously, if you had 4, you're going to beat Jill with 4 because she has 3, but we actually recommend 25. So everybody knows the value of reviews. Get yourself 25. Next is these photos. So how your photos are saved. So first of all, in your Google My Business, you want to have 10 photos. This photo is a drive-by, Google drive-by. This photo does not count. These two count. You want to have 10 photos. Jill has only 2. We recommend 10. And then again, make sure that all 10 of those photos are saved the right way. That, with your reviews and your citations, you'll be well on your way to getting in that first page and bringing in some dough, right? From the Google My Business page, which, believe me, I'm sure she is. And then the last thing is backlinks. So a backlink is anywhere that your domain can be found. So anywhere that Vitale.group can be found is going to give you a backlink. You actually have 24 backlinks from 2 referring domains, but you're not ranking for any keywords, and we don't have any data on your domain rating. So bottom line is this: not all backlinks are created equal. You want your backlinks to be powerful, and you want them to be coming from sites that are relevant to the real estate industry and that aren't spammy. So do your homework and get yourself some good, positive, high-quality backlinks to help bring power to your website. And the more power you have, the more visible you're going to become, and the more people are going to find your website and call you through it. So other than that, I hope this video finds you well. I hope that you can find the time to implement these tips and tricks into your business to bring yourself some leads. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to get in touch with us. So thank you very much, Anthony, for watching, and take care.